Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to go to a bonfire party. So this is what I'm wearing. Got this jumpsuit here. And I gotta decide what shoe I want. Do I want to do Old Faithful here that I love, or do I want to do some type of boot? The temperature, we supposed to be outside, and the temperature is supposed to get in the 30s. So I gotta figure out what kind of coat I'm gonna put on as well. So I'm gonna finish getting dressed and then I'll check back in.
Oh, what time you woke up in, nigga? What time man do? Hey, about 5. Right, motherfucker, right.
I was feeling sick earlier in the week, but I feel
I'm like sick like Dominique. Like,
look, you need to stay away from her. But anyway, so how is the Christmas tree Jesus-y?
I never said that.
That's what you said. So we're having a discussion.
No,
I said, so she said, okay, so where am I going to put this Christmas? Where am I going to put the Christmas tree this year? Because honestly, I don't got nowhere to put it right now. With the way that everything is laid out, there's nowhere to put anything.
We can move the table and like put
it in the middle of the floor.
Yes.
Oh,
that's so beautiful.
No. Anyway, so I said I'm not putting up a Christmas tree this year. So she said, "What you say? That it's not Jesus-y." And so I said, "How is a Christmas tree Jesus-y?" Okay, so explain to us how a Christmas tree is Jesus-y.
I explained it. They don't need to know. Like, they understand. They're on my side. Like,
okay, well, explain y'all's point.
Okay. First of all, like, if you don't, like, you know how the cross got to do something with Jesus. So, like, Christmas trees, like, bright and, like, brightness is basically saying, like, joy, happiness, no spirits and stuff like evil spirits and stuff like that. You have a family time, and that's what basically Christmas means and stuff like that, and Jesus stuff like that. So, like, you know how Jesus wanted to spend time with his family and stuff like that.
Okay, so just because I'm not putting up a Christmas tree,
okay, but that also means that you're not still, like, you know how if you put decorations outside of your house for Halloween, you're basically celebrating the devil. And, like,
okay, did I put some Halloween decorations out?
No.
Okay.
But you need to put some Christmas stuff up because you want to support Jesus.
Okay, but just because I'm not putting no
Jesus.
decorations don't mean, the decorations don't mean you support or not.
Yes, it does.
So because I'm not going to put no decorations, that mean I don't support Jesus?
Yes.
That is not what that means. But you just sent me this Christmas list, didn't you?
What?
Then you just send me this Christmas list. Oh, okay.
First of all, if you put up a Christmas tree, it's like, it's so Jesus-y. Like, you think of Jesus when you put up a Christmas tree. It's like so bright, so thankful that you got this stuff, so thankful that you're here, because some people can't even afford this stuff because they broke.
Okay, so that's what the Christmas tree represents.
And it represents Jesus too, because people like to put crosses and stuff like that, but stuff that represent Jesus on their Christmas tree and stuff like that, to show that they work, that they love Him and they worship Him, stuff like that.
So we can't show that we love and worship Him without a Christmas tree.
We can, but I'm saying,
okay then. So,
but I'm saying, like, around the Christmas time, that's literally when Jesus really shines. But He shines every single time, but He really shining there.
Okay, so we got cut off, but we're back. Okay, so I'm not putting a Christmas tree up this year. This will be the first time that I haven't put a Christmas tree up, Kalia. So is it going to feel less Christmassy?
Yes, it is.
So you think I should put one up?
Yes, I do. Like, we should put one in the kitchen like we did last time. Cause last
I didn't do it last time.
Last time we had 2 Christmas trees.
That was the year before last. I only did the one last year. And I definitely can't do 2 this year.
Yeah, because
I ain't got nowhere to put nothing.
Right.
Everything is so crowded. That's why I don't feel like putting one up.
That's why we need to move out of this house.
Who you telling?
Like,
that's why I didn't want to put nothing up. That's why I don't want to decorate. Because I said if we move before Christmas, then I decorate. But if we gonna be here, What? What? What you say?
I said I'm not done because I feel like you're not supporting Jesus. Because, like, if you don't put a Christmas tree, like, everybody knows you put a Christmas tree up every single year. Even if it's a small Christmas tree, even if it's something little, it don't matter. It's basically showing that you love Jesus.
Well, so what I thought that I might do is, you know how we had the fireplace right there and the little mantle thing on the top?
Yeah.
I was thinking, right here, the little thing across the fireplace, the thing right there with the pictures is on. I was thinking of putting some garland on there and, like, decorating that, and then have the gifts right there where the fireplace is. But then I was like, I can't do that because, you know, we like to light the fireplace. And you know I can't go without my fire.
You know, I started with this idea.
What
if it's hot this summer?
Right, because it's literally
giving summer,
and it's well into November, and we ain't had no cold yet. It's like 2.
We only had cold for a week.
It wasn't even a week. It was 3 days, and then we've been in the upper 80s, and it is literally November.
You can put the Christmas presents under the table.
I could, huh?
Ooh,
we can do a little tabletop tree.
Oh my God, I forgot Cameron's Christmas.
Yeah, because remember you said put the tree in the middle of the... We can do something like decorate the table, put a little tabletop little decor thing, and put the presents under.
Jesus. But yeah, I guess.
And then that way I ain't got to be doing a lot of decorating and taking down by myself. Because I like to decorate the tree, but the take down is... When you take that foot down, and then I'm going to take that belt.
You can't post it.
I'm posting it.
Love's roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by choir. And folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. eyes are aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on the sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. So I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La 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 la, oh, oh, oh. La 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 la, oh, oh, oh. La 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 la, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La 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 la, oh, oh, oh. La 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 la, oh, oh. La 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 la, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you.
On this one and on this one. On both ends.
I ain't got but 3 miles, dog.
I got 4. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6.
I got 4.
I got 6.
But how many you got? Hey, how come y'all got so many?
I got 7. Now you got 6.
Oh.
That's 6. I got 6 too.
You gotta be a bad shit.
You ain't finna get bingo.
What was the last one?
Living on a prayer.
It was played that long?
Sharp dressed man. I think I saw that on yours.
Sharp dressed man.
Sharp dressed man.
Yep.
Sharp dressed man.
Yep. Twice.
I don't got it.
That good. Oh, didn't they say shut up and dance?
Yes. No, I said you ain't paying attention.
I can't find it.
Now what's the movie? I mean, what's the song?
Welcome to a dark place.
Radioactive.
Radioactive. Got it. Oh, I got 2 times. And they both in the middle.
Okay, y'all. So if, as y'all just seen, we just came from Buffalo Wild Wings. And we was playing Single, and I won.